my god.
While we were waiting for you, this is what we did. While we were waiting for you, this is what we did.
Oh my god.
So yeah.
Oh my god.
This is what you're gonna be with Sunday.
This is on recorder. I'm the son.
She's taking pictures.
Oh my god.
Look, you can see the one that I took earlier.
Dude, don't post that on Facebook though.
No, I'm not. Just all over the world. Except Facebook. No Facebook. Just everywhere else.
No, seriously.
Oh my god.
This is so going on YouTube. I didn't do you, but I just got her reaction.
No, this is still going on YouTube.
And then look at you and say, oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And you said he wasn't gonna do it.
Why, Justin? Why?
Because it's my last year.
I don't go back on my promises.
It's my last year. I'm going to college
See,
in
I'm
the fall.
actually supposed to cut this straight, but it came out.
But it came out like that. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like seriously, right before you pulled up, he was hiding behind the couch.
Take me back.
We knew you'd say that.
That's not the whole thing, is it?
Yeah, this is the whole thing.
You don't have any longer hair?
We didn't have
Find a
time.
wig.
We didn't have time to get a wig, and I threw out my Sasuke stuff.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this
You
is
need
he's-
hair.